In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Metatrader 5 password. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, let's start by opening the Metatrader app on your device. Metatrader 5 is a versatile and widely used trading platform that's highly regarded for its comprehensive features for forex, stocks, and futures trading. By ensuring your account is secure with a strong password, you're truly keeping your trading activities safe. Once you have the Metatrader 5 app open, look for the Tools menu. This is usually located at the top of the app interface. Clicking on Tools will open a drop-down menu containing various options. From here, you'll want to select Options. The Options menu is your gateway to a variety of settings adjustments, including your password settings. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this menu as it helps in customizing your trading experience to suit your personal preferences and security requirements. Next, within the Options menu, locate the Change button under the Password section. This is the area where you can initiate the process of updating your password. Once you click on Change, you will be prompted to enter your current password. This verification step ensures that only authorized users can make changes to the account settings. As a quick tip, always make sure you remember your current password or keep it stored in a secure place. Following the security check, you can now set a new password. Be sure to choose a strong password that combines upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. A strong password adds an essential layer of protection to your account and helps prevent unauthorized access. Remember, your new password should be something memorable to you, yet difficult for others to guess. After entering your new password, make sure to confirm it by entering it again in the provided field. This step is crucial to ensure that there's no mistake in setting your password. Once you've confirmed your new password, click OK to finalize the change. Your new password is now active and you should be able to use it the next time you log in. To sum up, updating your password in Metatrader 5 is a quick task that enhances the security of your trading activities. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure that your account information remains secure. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you with your Metatrader 5 password update. If you found this video useful, please remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Happy trading!